If one were given a single window from which look upon the changing eastern world, it should face, I think, the road. Freya Stark. KKH, China-Pakistan Friendship Highway, from 1968 to 1979. KKH Improvement Project, Punjab to Raikot section, from 2008 to 2013. KKH Realignment Project at Athabad Barrier Lake, 24 kilometers, from 2012 to 2015. KKH Phase 2 Project, CPEC, 118 kilometers, from 2016 to 2020. Rashikai Special Economic Zone. The making and successful completion of KKH in the world's most hostile terrain has no parallel in the entire human history. With such level of sacrifice and resilience, CRBC, China Road and Bridge Corporation, and CCC, China Communication Construction, has carved their destiny in the stone. The dream of best performance has grown to become the dream of a better world in the form of Road and Belt Initiative. This dream of a better world is being realized in Pakistan with the name of CPEC, but it takes blood and sweat to fulfill your dreams. The commencement and completion of CPEC Havelian to Thakot project by CRBC was not an easy feat. Owing to the hilly terrains of rocky composition, security concerns, high grade of cutting and filling, and resolution of conflicts arising from the land acquisition, it requires high degree of professionalism and grit to accomplish such feat. The CCCC and CRBC is the pioneer on the KKH and One Belt, One Road initiative. The concerted efforts by Chinese and Pakistani engineers and the zeal of workforce made the impossible a reality. This 118 kilometers engineering masterpiece now stands tall. Over 10,000 Pakistani workers and 2,000 Chinese engineers and workers have put their heart and soul to get it complete in time. The Exim Bank China gave 1.3 billion US dollars to give this dream the bones and flesh. This project spans from Havelian to Thakot and is the important part of Uramki to Karachi Asian Highway AH4. The elevation of the project area ranges from 564 meters to 1463 meters with temperature fluctuation of as high as 46 degrees centigrade to as low as sub-zero with plenty of high filling and deep excavations. The high number of bridges and tunnels have hampered the pace of work. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. CRBC believes in socially and environmentally responsible development. In the vicinity of project, an SOS village was renovated and books and stationeries were given to local students. A road was also paved for a local university. After when it is fully operational, this project will open up the windows of opportunity not only for the entire country, but especially for the people of Hazara. It is expected that it will ease the flow of traffic and mobility of people. It will uplift their lives and will boost the economy. This project will outlive the generations and will be a precious jewel in the crown of Pak-China friendship.